Okay, so it seems like we have a good mating going on. There's a bit of play here, which I think is the problem with the worm gear itself. We'll have to figure that one out later on. Maybe thicker oil will dampen that effect. I don't know. But anyway, so that's the motor, and it's connected to that little collar. And I gotta tap a set screw in here so it can lock up to the shaft of the motor. And then this piece is connected. This new shaft that I built, and is connected to this gear underneath there. It's got some heavy gear reduction, which is what I like about this one, especially for precision work. Hopefully this will do the trick. So, this is pretty tight. The seal is good. Put a spacer in there. Put a spacer back in the washer in front of the bearing. So if you look at it from here, it meshes up. Now as I turn this thing, pretty happy with overall. I don't know what the ratio it is, but we'll figure that one out. But so the only thing I got left to do is I got a drill tap in here. I have to set up a keyway in here, and then basically what I will do is Loctite this bolt into it, tighten it up, torque it, and so that was a thing that I had to do today. Set it, thread in a hole, tap basically. So gears are in good shape. So I think once this is done, we'll fill up with oil, see if I can work with the set screws and tune this thing up a little bit. I don't know what I cannot do. I've ordered a 4-jaw chuck, so what I'm going to end up doing is building a collar for this to connect to a back plate to the 4-jaw chuck, and then basically we should be good to go. Give it a shot and see how it works. So stay tuned.